Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating a look using the new Sheglam Rick and Morty collection. This collection features products inspired by the animated series Rick and Morty. First, let's take a look at the Meaninglessness of Life palette. This 12-pan palette retails for $14.99. The front of the palette features a lenticular image that changes with movement. Half of the shades have printed designs on them, while the other half have complementary designs on the plastic cover. Let's swatch it. On the top row, we have shades Two Crows, Planet Squanch, Vat of Acid, and Unity. The second row contains shades Get Swifty, Wrinkle in Time, Cromulon, and Dimension C131. The third row has shades The Clone, Bird Person, King Jellybean, and the Citadel. First, I'm picking up the matte blue shade called Get Swifty. I'm applying this to my crease and outer V. Next, I'm dipping into the shimmery shade called Two Crows. This is a silvery green color, and the more you pack it on, the more pigmented it becomes. I'm creating a faux cut crease by simply taking a small flat brush and precisely placing it onto the lid. Now I'm grabbing the matte brown shade called the Citadel and sweeping this into the outer V to add some depth to the look.
On my workbench, Morty. Are you invisible and you're gonna fart on me?
Finally, I'm popping the shimmery silver shade called Dimension C131 onto the inner corner of my eyes, taking it up into the green so that the two blend together flawlessly. Next is the Mr. Meeseeks Beauty Sponge. It retails for just $2.29 and has a wider side for blending plus a tapered tip for the hard to reach areas such as underneath the eyes. I'm using it to apply my foundation and concealer. Now let's open up the Mr. Sanchez Cream Blush. The packaging on this is so unique and fun. You twist off the top and reveal Rick's brain, which is the blush itself. The finish is slightly shiny and it blends super easy. Another product with a fun illusion is the Never Ricking Morty Setting Powder. The powder features a design of Morty Prime, and after removing the protective film, you can see evil Morty in the mirror. It has a translucent matte finish and claims to be waterproof, sweatproof, and provide 12-hour shine control. I'm tapping it underneath my eyes with a brush. The next product we have to try is the Pickle Rick Setting Spray. This $7.49 setting spray is shaped just like Pickle Rick and features a fresh cucumber scent. Finally, I'm using the Family Counseling Lip Gloss Set, which contains 5 different shades inspired by each member of the Smith family with removable caps of their heads. Here are the swatches: Jerry, Morty, Rick, Summer, and Beth. I'm using the shade Morty. It's ultra glossy with a bit of sparkle. This collection is seriously out of this world. Each item features a unique blend of retro futuristic and sci-fi elements as if plucked straight from the minds of Rick and Morty's many alternate realities. The attention to detail is astonishing, with intricate components and holographic effects that make each piece feel like a miniature portal to another dimension. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!